Welcome to the part 2 of my Swords of Fury adventure. Now, yesterday I uploaded part 1 of this video. I will put a link on to that one so you can watch part 1, how excited I'm about this game. I played few games on this one and I must say everyone says that this game is just it's a hidden gem. This game is just, it's amazing, everyone likes it. But I played 3 games yesterday, and today I played about 5 games, and I must say I'm getting jackpots, I'm getting super jackpots or different points at different times. It's just so annoying because this upper playfield doesn't work the proper way. Now on the video yesterday, at the end of that video I started multi-ball, and at the same second I scored jackpot because something is wrong over here, guys. And oh yes, alright. So Carol Hardy was just the first guy to write to me something is wrong with your upper playfield, and the previous owner told me about it. Now this game was in the storage for 4 or 5 years, and he said that he had trouble with the upper playfield. They weren't, I mean, you could hit these targets, they will not go down easily, and he totally disassembled everything at the top and just cleaned everything. So all the targets goes up and down freely, perfect, but something's still just wrong up there. So half an hour ago, Dave from Dave's Pinball Arcade YouTube channel, he wrote a comment on my first video about this game, and he said that he checked the cables at the back side. So he tells me that at the extruder board it's J11. That plug is responsible for what's going on here. So let's just open up the back, open down here. I will show you what I have done for the last hour. I haven't checked the back box yet, but we can do that together. So let's just go ahead and see under the playfield and look at what's going on. Right, so let's just take a look under the playfield. Well, this upper flipper, it couldn't shoot the ball up the ramp, so I just disassembled it. As you can see, the plunger was like new, the coil stop was like new, but the coil sleeve, I just replaced that. So I hope that it shoots up the ramp now. I'm gonna check that. Now, as I said for a minute ago, the everything moves perfect. All the what's it called? Targets goes up and down perfect. So when you have an issue like this, you just have to unscrew these 2 screws and the other 2 over there. Then you can actually take out this assembly. What I did, I reheated all the plugs here. It has got optos, not switches. This old 80s game has got optos, 5 optos to know if the targets are up and down. I cleaned all 5 optos. I reheated all the connectors. Really did everything I know about this. I did it in here, turned the game on, and you know what, guys? This flipper shoots the ball up the ramp, perfect. But this upper playfield, all of that work, nothing helped. I mean, the options work, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It's just so irritating, man. So, yeah, I know that the problem is not down here, not down there. So we have to go in there in the back box. So let's just open up and listen to what Dave told me. All right, so yeah, Carol Hardy, he said something's wrong. He's right. Dave from Dave's Pinball Arcade, he said that I have to take a look at the back box here. I asked him about if he knew which plug it was. I don't have the manual yet. I know you can just download it, but Yeah, and he said J11. Now, when you buy one of these beautiful System 11s, of course, take a look at the battery. That's the first thing, that we have no corrosion. Of course, that's just number one. But other than that, when you buy one of these, most of the ones I have had, they had general illumination issues, and it's actually this plug used to melt. As I can see, this one has been replaced as from the previous owner. Now I have done nothing except that mini playfield work on this pinball machine. So yeah, he has replaced this one, and this is a really common issue. But if you just put in LEDs after you have done this, then you don't have to think about that. But other than that, we have to find J11. I'm looking while filming. J11 there. Okay, as you can see, it says J11 there. And these System 11, I mean, I love them. It says, as you can see, 2 inserts and flash lamps. True lower play field. So this one, J11. Oh, yeah. Come on. What? This plug hasn't been off for 20, 30 years. Okay, guys, so what we have to do, oh, they're all right. I will just clean this. Now I will I'll also clean in here. I mean, they looks nice, but yeah, I'll just go ahead and clean it. But it's just not enough, man. I have to check out everything else just to be sure, you know, guys. Sometimes it actually helps to just take them out. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. Just pull them out and just reseat the cables. It's a great idea, because previous owner had this one standing for 4 or 5 years, and before that, I mean, yeah, they need some love, these old pinball machines, man. And it's dark. All right, so I use some contact cleaner over here. As I can see, they're not wobbly. They're pretty nice on the connectors here, but cleaning the connectors, it can help. But if it doesn't help, then I have to unplug this whole board, and I have to reheat all the connectors here, look at the trays and reheat the next part. It is a great idea when you buy an old System 11 game from the 80s to just take a card off and reheat all the connectors, put it in, everything works, then take the next one and the next one. It's a great idea. I'm reading, listening to other pinball owners, these people that has got into the hobby for the last 6 years or so, you know, stern guys, as we call them. Some of the collectors actually says that a soldering iron is not needed when you have when you collect pinball machines. And it just makes me laugh. I mean, of course you have to know how to solder, man. It's just a must when you have a pinball machine. I got my Aerosmith home and the right slingshot didn't work. The soldering joints at the coil for the right slingshot was broken off under the shipping to Denmark. So from the first minute I had to solder that on. So yeah, you know just how I feel. So now the mini playfield is all the joints are soldered, should be nice. Over here I have got, on one of my pinball purchases, I actually got something like this. I have no idea how to buy them again. So I mean, this is what I have got left of them, and I really like to have these guys. I don't know where they're from, but they're great. I always use them on the connectors. First I put in some contact cleaner, and then clean all the sockets inside. So let's give it a go. If this one works, then it's great. If this doesn't work, again, I have to reheat, resolder all the joints there. So let's just put everything together, cross our fingers, and hope that this will work. It's the moment of truth. Now, I don't know how the mini playfield is going to work. I think that I have to shoot all the targets down and then they will pop up again. That's just how I think. I don't know. So let's just... Yeah. It's not that loud. I hope it's okay. So let's see here. Whoa, they popped up right away.
Go for the tunnel.
Go for the tunnel. All right. Oh no. Yes, it can grab. All right. So that means those two IE are hit. So I have to hit MAG. So let's see here. So should it pop up like that? Oh. Man, it's nice! Oh. I love this. It works fine! Last test, man. Last test. Come on. Cheating. Oh no. This mini playfield is not easy, man. But it's fun. Come on. I like it. So, the guy at the right, that's lock a ball. So now this one is lit. That means that it just shoots the ball out. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna find out about it, guys. No. And then, what? Should it do that? No. That's flaky, man, again. So let's see. Alright, so one of you guys, is this the correct way to play it? Oh. And then well, it feels like it's okay now, right? Oh man, such an awesome day. Go for the tunnel. Oh, come on, oh yes. Oh, it's great. So you can also shoot up the ramp. Filming and playing is just not easy. No, come on. There we go. Nice. Oh. Oh, you can't grab it that way. All right. So now it's lit up here. That means if I do this, it will just, yeah, all right. Oh no! Oh, that's a nice effect. Oh, look at this, guys. Because one of the ball is locked, it shoots. Oh, it looks nice. Nice. All right, go for the tunnel. See, isn't that odd? This guy is blinking. These are solid. That means these two shouldn't be up. Or is it timed So, will these two come up also? I have no idea. I would think that these two should be down. Okay, so it is timed, right? So if we just, let me see. If we just do this and just wait, then these two should pop up, right? All right, let's just go ahead and wait here, guys. If it's, you know, if it needs soldering at the back board, then I would, if I shake, dude, it is timed because I hit this one down first and this one second. So this means that this mini playfield, upper playfield, wow, man, it's such an awesome game. Let me see if I can. Oh, it's not easy, but I love it. I love everything about it, man. Love the music. Why doesn't she say go for the tunnel? Well, sometimes she does, sometimes she doesn't, but it sounds great when she does. What a nice game. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, let's do... Oh, almost. Let's just lock this one also. So... Yeah. Here come the god. Alright, so this means while having multi-ball, what happens if one unlock a ball? It gets locked. No, it gets rejected. Alright. So what happens if I shoot here? Then I have to shoot this roving target. Oh, nice! That's how you get the jackpot. Okay, one shot. Damn, that's not easy, man, while having multi-ball. That's not an easy test. Yeah. Okay, now I have to hit those three. Oh, no! There we go. I'm making jackpots. Lion man. So what now? Now all 5. Oh. Yeah, alright guys, alright. Okay, that was the problem. The problem was at J11 in the back box. And now it seems to be fully working. I'm happy with it. Wow, man. What a nice pinball machine. Oh, nice, man. I mean, look at this. It had 2 designers and it shouts Lion Man. It has the greatest soundtrack from the 80s and yeah, I just love everything about it. I mean, look at this. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching and I wish you a great day out there. Bye.